Welcome to watch today's Freshum. Brazilian singer and songwriter Anitta was completed with the Brazilian firm Studio Ro+Ca in only 6 months, and everything was done remotely. I give them even more credit because I'm a client with a lot of opinions. I had very clear ideas about what I wanted. I even made them look at my drawings of how I imagined each space, Anitta jokes. The house also tells the story of Anitta's life. Upon entering, you find yourself in a spacious room where the first thing that catches your eye is a mosaic mural in blue and orange. It portrays children from the favelas with angels behind them, a nod to her own childhood in the favelas of Rio.